Welcome to U.S. History. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Storm, and I'm going to be your U.S. History teacher for this year. I think it's a great year to be studying U.S. History with everything that's going on. We're going to spend a lot of time on our class 4B, so on Tuesday, going over Blackboard, how I've got set up, and what the class is going to look like. But I just wanted to take a moment to let you know how we're going to get there on Tuesday morning so that you have it's an easier time to get into the class. First of all, if you guys have not ordered your book, this is your book. You're going to need it. If you haven't ordered it yet or it hasn't come in, don't worry, I'll take care of you guys for like the first chapter. So don't worry about that just yet. What you do need to know is how to get onto the class come Tuesday during 4B. All right, so let's go to Blackboard. I'm assuming that most of you know how to do it. If you are new to BL and you haven't had your training on Blackboard yet, there are some instructional videos that are on the website, the BL website. Please look at those. And if you're still having trouble, please email me at beth.storm@bishoplynch.org so we can try to get you all set up before class on Tuesday. All right, you're going to log in, and yours is going to look a little different than mine because mine is a teacher website. So, but basically it's the same thing. There's just a few extra things on mine. Click on to U.S. History. All right, this will be where you're going to find everything, almost everything for the entire year. But I want to draw your attention first to over here on the left where it says e-learning. That's going to be our portal for at least the first 2 weeks, the phase 1. And then for those of you that are going to be staying home, phase 2 and 3. And even for those of you guys that are going to be in class, Blackboard is where we're going to find most everything. Two things I want to draw your attention to before we get to Tuesday morning. First here, the U.S. History Zoom link. I've set this link up. It will be the same place every class. There won't be a new Zoom for every class. It's going to be just for this class for the entire semester. So you don't have to worry about losing it in your email or where do I go to find the Zoom link. It's always going to be here under the e-learning tab for the entire at least for the entire semester, and we'll see what happens after that. The only homework that you guys have for me for Tuesday is the Zoom guidelines right here. It's a little bit of class etiquette about what's expected while you are on Zoom. So please read that over before Tuesday. We will go over it again in class. And then we're going to spend the rest of the time going over everything else that you're going to need to know, what the class is going to look like and where do I find everything. We'll do that in class. The last thing I want to draw your attention to is the schedule. If you haven't been to the BL website to look at the COVID reopening documents, this is where you're going to find it. Go to BL's website under the About tab. You'll scroll down. You're going to see COVID-19 reopening. This is the schedule for phase 1. So Monday, Thursday is a schedule. Then Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday is a separate schedule. I would print this off and keep it by your laptop so that you have it available to you for classes. We're going to meet during 4B, right? So we're going to be down here. I lost my cursor. There it is. All right, from 11:52 to 12:45 on Monday and Thursday, and then 11:45 to 12:45 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So keep that with you. But for now, for Tuesday, I'll see you guys at 11:52 on the Zoom link that I showed you. And I am very much looking forward to this year. And I will see you guys on Tuesday morning. Y'all take care.